In Nigeria, high rent forces young people to split housing bills. I launched Roomeyfinder V1 in 2024 and got over 100 users, but our UX was too clunky, sending people back to Facebook groups. For V2, we built a highly streamlined, privacy-first platform. Instead of endless browsing, our algorithm programmatically computes compatibility based on location, budget, and lifestyle. Personal info and contact details stay completely locked. Your profile is only revealed when the other party explicitly accepts your interest request. We used OpenAI Codex inside VS Code as a product design collaborator to fix our V1 UX flaws and map our brand voice into a multi-step UI. It accelerated our Next.js build, though we had to step in manually to fix a local auth redirect URL mismatch between 127.0.0.1 and localhost that the AI missed. This entire architecture was engineered with GPT 5.6 Luna and GPT 5.6 Terra via the Codex workflow. It acted as our back-end strategist to build our Supabase row-level security policies and private storage buckets directly through the database layer. Roomeyfinder V2 is live, secure, and ready. Thanks for watching.